Hello everyone, welcome to MedVision. In today's video, we are discuss about why is neck pain became a daily problem in today's digital world. Because our lifestyle has quickly changed and our spine is paying the price. Think it about hours on a smartphone, laptops, and tablets. Most of us spend a long period with our head bent forward, and this posture is called tax neck. For a biomechanical point of view, the head weight about 4 to 5 kg in neutral position, but as you bend it forward, the load of your cervical spine increasing dramatically, sometimes up to 20 to 25 kg. That's a hug strain on neck muscles, ligament, and the intervertebral discs. So now we can connect this X-ray finding. Many people show loss of normal cervical lordosis, the straighten neck, reduce disc space over time, and early and degenerative change occurs with time. And all of the leads to neck pain, muscle stiffness, headache, and sometimes even radiating pain to arm. For a physiotherapy perspective, the cause are most commonly the poor posture, the weak neck flexors, the tight trapezius and levator scapulae, and a lack of movements throughout the day. You can see all about in this image. So my question to you is this good news. This is highly preventable and reversible in early stage. I repeat, in early stage. Most common physio tips: keep your screen at eye level that show in image first. Take break every 30 to 40 minutes after work or during work. Practice a chin tucking exercise. It is a most common exercise used to reduce neck pain and neck stiffness. Chin tucking exercise. And next is strengthening postural muscles. The deep neck flexors and other back muscles must be strengthened. And what must be a master exercise with foam roller, that is trunk extension with foam rollers. So these are some exercise used to correct the alignment and the muscles imbalance and help to reduce neck pain. And these all exercise must be repeated 10 to 12 repetitions of each step, and must be included 2 to 3 times in a day. So remember, neck pain is not just a problem, it is a warning sign from your body. Fix your posture today, or your spine will be forced you to fix it tomorrow. Thank you for seeing MedVision. Thank you so much. And like, share, and subscribe this channel for more physio tips. Thank you.